This video answers the search how to buy shares of Nuvve Holding Corp and shows the practical steps. NUV develops vehicle-to-grid solutions for electric vehicles. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker NVVE. This is educational content and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NVVE to find Nuvve Holding Corp. Select the correct listing that shows NVVE on NASDAQ to proceed. On the stock page, you will see a brief company description and a price chart for NVVE. Confirm the company details and the NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the right asset. To buy, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading resumes, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in the Portfolio tab once the order fills. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform.